Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to control YouTube by using your voice. But before we get into how it works, I wanted to do a quick demo just to show you what it will look like. So I'll say a few voice commands and then we'll see how YouTube reacts here in the browser. Okay, here we go. Expand. Start video. Skip ahead. Speed up. Pause. Okay, cool. So that was just a quick glimpse at the different voice controls and actions that we can take. And there's a lot of room for customization here, but I just wanted to give you a quick look at that. So next, let's look at the keyboard shortcuts that are available to us. So if you press Shift question mark, you'll see the different keyboard shortcuts built into YouTube. And this is what we will use as a starting point. So you can see, for example, pressing K will toggle play and pause, and pressing L will fast forward. So what we want to do is create a script that can open Chrome and automatically press these keys for us as needed. So next I'm going to open Visual Studio Code, my editor, and this is the Python script that I've written. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. I'm just using Python 3 and I'm importing this library I installed called pynput, and this is what we will use to simulate key presses. Okay, so this script just opens Google Chrome and then presses the letter K, which will toggle the play and pause here. Alright, so what we need to do is run this script. So we're going to create an application that will do that. Now let's open Automator. Okay, so click on that. Now we're going to do File, New, and Application. And what you want to find here on the left is Run Shell Script, and drag that over, because this is where we're going to actually execute the Python script. So I'll just paste in the directories. So this is where Python 3 is located for me and where the script is. Now we can actually test this here in Automator by pressing the button in the top right. So I press that and you can see it opens Chrome and starts playing the video. Okay, so we can confirm that it's working. Now let's save this application. I'll just call it Play YouTube. Okay, and we want to make sure that this has accessibility to kind of control our computer, right? So what we need to do is open System Preferences now and go to Security and Privacy, find Accessibility, and we'll authenticate to make changes. Okay, and find Play YouTube. So that's the one we just added. Now this application should work just by opening it. It should open Chrome and toggle the play and pause here. But what we want to do next is create a voice command that can activate that. So what we'll do is go back to System Preferences and find Accessibility. So you'll scroll down now to Voice Control, and you want to make sure that voice control is enabled here. So when that's enabled, you'll see this microphone show up. Right now it's asleep, but you can wake it up to do commands. And we're going to create a custom command here now. So I'll click Commands, and I'm going to do the plus sign in the bottom left corner, and we'll call this Play. And I'm going to choose Open Finder Items, and we will just open that application we created here, Play YouTube. Okay. So note that you can customize this to use while running a specific application, but I'll just say when using any application. All right. Now, when I say play, we can hope that it works. So, ready? Play. Cool, that didn't work. Oh, it's asleep right now. Okay, play. Okay, so one more step. It needs access to documents folder because that's where the script is actually located. So we'll allow that. And it starts playing. Okay, so let's just test it one more time. Play. Cool, it's working. So this is a really interesting, powerful feature. It's a lot of pieces to connect, but it's pretty straightforward once you learn how it all works together. So yeah, that's about it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.